Hi, how are you today? I'm good. How are you today? I'm good. Today was Blue Pig Snacks. Oh, I heard, but I didn't go today. Sorry I ran late, Miss Teacher. It's okay. Now it's Blue Pig Snacks. Oh, yay! Okay. So can I go get my order my ice cream? Yes, you're just in time. What do you want? I want what are the choices? Blue Pig M&M, yummy chocolate, vanilla, minty strawberry, and sorbet, which is blueberry and banana. Blue Pig M&M. Okay. What about you? Blue Pig M&M. Okay. Okay. Are you ready to go home to school? Did you? Because Daddy's here. Okay, yeah. Okay, bye. Bye.